All right, it is time to leave this camp here at Kingman Wash. It has been incredibly windy the whole time I've been here. It's made it kind of tough to really be outside of the van and enjoy myself. I had one day where it was kind of calm out of the 3 days I was here, so I was able to get out, get a good ride in, fly the drone, but for the most part, it's just made me want to coop up in the van. But very fascinating place. The geology and soil here is just fascinating, all the different colors. It's been really neat. Always nice to be right by water. And I am right near the Hoover Dam. The Hoover Dam is just like 2 miles up the road this way. So you're getting a lot of helicopters. I'm assuming that they must be like tour helicopters because they're just kind of non-stop flying by in here. Man, this wind though. Other neat thing where I got visited by some donkeys during the day, and then this morning about 3 in the morning I looked out, I heard there was some donkeys and they were right outside my door sniffing around my trash. Anyway, time to get out of here. The adventure continues. I'm gonna drive about 3 hours to my next camp, and we'll check in when we get there. Alrighty, let's see if we can get out of this place. Boy, that wind, it really wears on you. Well, I'm gonna drive about 3 hours south. Not a whole lot on the stretch between here and my destination, but I will be right near my destination stopping at a store to stock up on groceries and water. Drinking water, that is. Nobody here today. Last couple days there was quite a few people coming in, just day visitors. I would assume a lot of people, touristy people that are doing Hoover Dam, come down here and to take this drive to this cove. A lot of people just in small cars, sedans, pull up at the water, 4 people get out, they take the pictures, get in their car, turn around and head out. I will not be stopping at Hoover Dam. I've done Hoover Dam years ago and it's just not something that I care to see again. So we're gonna take this slow drive out of here. Check in when we get on the highway. I just realized I need to clean my windshield. I'm gonna pull over and do that real quick. Going back over the Colorado River in Arizona. Oh, gas is $1 cheaper per gallon here. Wow, 6 miles away. Crazy. I was considering going down by the river, but I'm gonna go on the other side here. Probably just gonna be doing an overnight so I can get to a camp with a lot less miles down a dirt road this end. Shouldn't be too hot. I'm kind of just tired of driving. Well, we'll give you a little shot of the camp spot I picked here. Really nothing special out here in Ehrenberg. To me, it's a lot like it is in Quartzsite. Same kind of geography. This is my setup here. Got this tree on the other side of the van here. It's nice I get a little bit of shade on the side of the van, but still sun on the solar panels. That's working out good. There's a few people out here. See a few people off in the distance. Quite a few people over in this area this way. So I'm just hanging out. I'm going to be heading into San Diego probably tomorrow. The whole reason for me going back to San Diego, I don't think I've mentioned this in a video. I am attending a funeral. And a very close friend of the family passed away, obviously recently. So it was kind of somewhat expected. He's been ill for a while, and I'm just close enough that I just really want to be there for the services and just show my love and support for him. He was a very special person. So that's what I'm doing. I'll be in San Diego for probably all of next week and then be getting back on the road, heading east again. So yeah, just a little heads up what's going on. It's time for that sunset. Wind is starting to pick up. It's been breezy all day, but it's really starting to pick up now. made it into San Diego. I'm almost at my destination. I'm gonna have to sign out here to respect the privacy of my friend. I have a friend that I stay with when I'm in San Diego. She's got an off-street parking spot where I can park the van. Works out really good. So that'll be my hub to be able to go to these funeral services and visit with my friends and family. And we'll probably check back in when I'm ready to head out of here, guys. Appreciate you following along. Well, here I am, guys, back in San Diego. If you hadn't catch up with my last video, I mentioned I had to make a run back into San Diego. I was up in Nevada. Unfortunately, a very dear friend of the family, dear friend of mine, passed away. So I came back into San Diego to attend services. They were very nice. It was a challenge for me. I definitely went through a little bit of mourning and grief, but I'm feeling a little bit lighter after the services, got a little bit of closure. So I'm out on a little adventure today with my good friend Judy. We're going to go up to the mountains and do a hike up to Stonewall Peak. So we thought we'd bring you guys along, and I just wanted to give a big thank you to everyone in that last video for all of your thoughts and prayers. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. And yeah, so we'll be back out on the road soon. We're going to get this adventure done. I got a few more things to take care of in San Diego, and we'll be back heading east. Here we go. Well, it's an absolutely beautiful day today. Perfect day for a hike. Just kind of getting geared up here. This is a nice little day use area. They have had some wildfires through here in the last year, so you do see some remnants of that. But overall, it's nice to be out in the trees here. Looks like they put a lot of new benches in the day use area. Nice restroom facilities. Little grills and that. Pretty cool. And we're going to make our way to the trailhead, see what kind of views we can catch. Be good to get a little exercise. I've been hiking for a while. The trailhead for Stonewall Peak is just right across the street from the entrance to Paso Picacho. My friend Judy is being camera shy today. No. Not today, she's always camera shy. Stonewall Peak Trail, looks like we got 2 miles ahead of us, so it's going to be a 4-mile hike, round trip. Let's do it. Well, we're nearing the top of the trail here. We're at the last little stretch. I would call this a moderate hike. It's mostly switchback, so it's not too rugged. We're getting there. We are on the Stonewall Peak. Doing all right, Judy?
Doing good.
All right. This is going to give us a 360 view here, all around. We just got to figure out the way to go up. Trail kind of ends. Wow, look at that over there. Yeah, this is it. There's some little rock or stone steps here. Check this out. Cool is that? I'll admit, I'm a little out of breath. But man, how worth it is this? Wow, look at this, guys. Oh, look at all these birds. Phew, fantastic. This is it. Last set of stairs, we're at the peak. Wow. Made it. Look at that, guys. 360 view. Woo. Well, we spent a little bit up here just gazing out at the spectacular views. What do you think, Judy? Pretty awesome, huh?
It's rad.
Yeah. Just having the full 360 view like this. And it's really not too windy. So it's given us an opportunity to just kind of really just hang out and meditate on the beauty of this planet. What's up, buddy? Was that net? Cleaning his hands.
They were salty nuts.
Peekaboo.
Way in the movie?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the movie.
Well, it's time to make our descent down here from Stonewall Peak. Had a nice little time hanging out here, watching the birds, hanging with the squirrel. There we go. It's kind of nice they've got all this railing up here. Makes you feel a little bit more secure, especially when it's windy. Well, we made it back to the day use picnic area. We're probably gonna hang out, drink a little water, have a little snack. Think about getting back on the road. That was totally worth it. That view from Stonewall Peak is so worth the hike. Such a short hike to have such a spectacular view. So if you're in the area, check out Stonewall Peak. Green Valley Falls Campground is right down the road from here, but they don't open till April. But that's a great little hike to the falls. That's an easy hike. It's like kids could do that even. Anyway, we're gonna kick back for a little bit, relax. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. Appreciate everyone's patience while I've been going through these emotionally trying times lately. Should be back to my normal schedule here pretty soon. Hope everyone is doing well, and we'll see you soon in the next video. Take care. Peace.